Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel altogether. Thanks for clicking on this video. So as you saw in the title, this is going to be a nighttime routine clean with me video, kitchen style. It's actually not that bad. And I hope you're like, what? Not that bad? Yes, it's been way worse. I try to maintain it during the day. And get my kids to clean up their dishes. We don't have a dishwasher, so get them to clean up their dishes throughout the day as they also not a bunch in the sink, so they didn't leave me a lot. And sometimes I will tell them to clean up at nighttime, so I don't do this every single night, but I do it sometimes. I do it for myself, just to make myself happy. And yeah, so I'm not going to talk over this video. It's going to be music, so I hope you guys enjoy it and let me know in the comments if you like it. Sidebar, every clean with me video that I have seen has always had like thumbs downs. Like, what is that about? Is the person not cleaning right? Did they not use the right materials? Is the music not good? Like, I don't get the thumbs down in the videos, and this comment might get me the thumbs down in the video. But if you have a thumbs down, can you leave a comment why you're not liking the way I clean my house? Like, I don't know, I don't get it. Every clean with me I've seen has thumbs down. And I'm like, I mean, basically every video has a thumbs down, like everything's not, but a cleaning video? Like, really? Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking before y'all click off the video like this girl that's in here talking. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna clean this mess up. And I know I said I wasn't going to talk, and I'm not going to talk. I just want to show you that area over there. That area is a nook that I need to clean because I need to make that into a temporary desk for myself so I can have my table back. So therefore, I think I'm going to add that into this too. Don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure I will because there's not really much for me to do in here today. So with that being said, let's get this party started.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe songs, finding hidden caves. All the wet stones shaped by the ocean